stepmother to her two young daughters.
देखो आगे क्यों
Then she
जाना
lost her
अरे
brother
मेरा छोटा लेंस
Yamato,
है देखा
who was a captain in
छोटा है
British
तेरा
Army and a Japanese prisoner of war.
लेंस बोला मैं
Max went to extraordinary lengths to bring magic to my childhood by involving me in her radio shows, TV shows, puppet shows, children's films. I was her Christopher Robin and her Pooh Bear, all rolled into one. She dropped everything whenever I fell ill, which unfortunately was quite often. She lived life large. Her goal was never to marry well and live in a big house. She was the queen of pathos on the silver screen. No one could weep like her, nor make an audience weep with her. To watch Max stoically suffering abuse and injustice, typically.
The other memory which I cherish is that we celebrated her 90th birthday, and I invited her to be a part of a program where her fans would be seated and I would be talking to her. And it was so amazing that she was in pain. She said, I feel very tired, I feel very exhausted, I'm not really up to it. And I said, we're on in a minute. And after that, when we started, she wouldn't stop. She just, it's like action and she's into it, you know. I can't shrug away those memories and her kindness and gentleness. Thank you.
बस क्या यहाँ पे भी डाउन करके पेन करना पड़ेगा
थैंक यू सर
शुक्रिया सर इनका भी बैग चाहिए
Looking back after that, I often accompanied her to film sets for shooting. There I met actors like Dileep, Amitabh, Shah Rukh, Amir, Dharminder, Raj Kapoor, Sharmila, Rekha, Wahida, Kiara, and many more. I noticed something about them which is also related to Mummy. Do you know what that was? All of them had one thing in common, and that was the ability to focus. They used all their energy for their job. They never wasted any of their energy and worked really hard to achieve perfection. And that was something amazing for me. When she was quite old, she acted in Kabir Singh with Shahid Kapoor. Suddenly she realized she couldn't memorize her lines. I saw her trying and trying and trying to memorize just one paragraph, which is about 7-8 lines. Surabhi was with me, and she sat in one corner and for literally 4 hours tried to mug up those lines and mug up those lines, but it was no use. She just couldn't remember. Then the director of Kabir Singh got a brainwave. He told her, you face the camera and say only one line. Then he switched off the camera. Then he said, now you say the second line. And she had this ability to continue. There was continuity in the whole thing, though it was line by line by line by line. And then the editor, and in the end, you know, Shahid Kapoor, who was the, he was the hero, he said, it's been a real privilege to work with her. I thought he'd get fed up, but he wasn't. So she had very interesting hobbies. She loved making up stories for kids. There was a Hindi children's monthly magazine called Parar. It was a Times of India publication. and they wanted to publish her stories under the name of Chaat Pali. But who would illustrate those stories? How can you read 20 pages with no illustrations? So guess what? She gets my school-going sister Kavita and me, who was in first year college, to do the illustrations. And guess what? We were so lucky. We sat in the Times of India art department and we were guided by the famous cartoonist called Mario Miranda to do the illustrations. And that's why today both of Kavita and I are passionately fond about art, thanks to Mario and to her. It should be promoted, but
बॉम्बे में आता था और उनके साथ गिरने की छुट्टियां बिताता था और इस दौरान
सबको मार के जाते
काफ़ी उनके नज़दीक भी आया, उनको बहुत अच्छे से जाना भी और उन्हीं की वजह से या उनसे प्रेरणा लेके मैं FTII में गया। जब मैंने FTII पास किया तो उन्होंने बोला भाई आप क्या करेंगे, तो मैंने कहा लेट्स डू, मेरे को कहा तो he took me to Rishida and with him I was till 1980. Then when she wanted to make the film for FD, Meri Pari Meri Shakti, she said, would you like to edit this film and be on the sets with me to direct? I said, this is a good opportunity to do something for her. And that is how I did whatever I could for her. And we were very close, but really sad that I lost her now. Thank you.
वहीदा रहमान अरे इसकी दादी घंटा
बोला मत करो, बस जाने दो, बस 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 जाने दो।
थैंक यू
बस परेशान मत करो। जी थैंक यू, बहुत ही मजा आया। The way you
I remember that conversation.
oh you were there? Yes, we were all there. Fantastic. श्रावण का तो नहीं बोला।
I met all of you.
ना वंदे
Jaya with ladies he will do that. Shravan who's right there. How are you?
अरे बस लंट का बाल
पहले था ना वो बार समीर वानी